In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Google Drive using a computer. If you've ever felt slowed down by constant clicking and menu hunting, these shortcuts will help you move faster and stay focused on your work. Start by opening your web browser and typing drive.google.com into the address bar. This takes you into Google Drive, where all your files and folders live. Make sure you're signed into your Google account so you can access your drive. If you manage multiple accounts, confirm you're in the right one before continuing, so the shortcuts affect the correct files. Next, look to the top right corner of the Drive window for the gear icon. Click it to open the Settings menu, then choose Keyboard Shortcuts. This opens a dedicated window that lists the available shortcuts for Drive. Think of this as your quick reference guide. You can scroll through and see how actions are grouped, which makes it easier to find what you need and start practicing a few at a time. Let's highlight a few that are especially useful. Press N to create a new folder. This is perfect when you want to stay organized on the fly. As soon as you press N, you'll be prompted to name the folder and it will appear in your current location. Press Shift+T to create a new document. Holding Shift and tapping T instantly opens a fresh Google Doc, so you can start writing without leaving Drive. Press Z to move a file. This brings up a quick move dialog, letting you place items into the right folder without dragging and dropping, and press the / key to search in Drive. The search bar becomes active immediately, so you can start typing a file name or keyword and jump straight to what you need. A few tips as you practice. Shortcuts work when Google Drive is active, so click anywhere in the Drive window first if they don't seem to respond. If a shortcut uses Shift, hold Shift down while tapping the letter, then release. Start with one or two shortcuts you'll use daily, like N for new folder and the / for search, and add more as they become second nature. The goal is to keep your hands on the keyboard and reduce context switching. When you're finished reviewing the list, click Close to exit the keyboard shortcuts window. Now you can use these shortcuts to navigate and manage your files more efficiently throughout your day. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.